I know y'all see this title and y'all probably like, what the heck? But just stick with me here. Stick with me. Stay with me. Don't leave me. Okay? Because this same recipe you can use for other chicken parts. But hey, I don't eat it, but it was requested. So here we go. All right, so first what we want to do is we want to make sure and clean. You see, she's waving at you guys. Hey, we want to make sure that we clean these very good. These little things creep me out, y'all, but this is the price you pay when you got a country husband who want this foolishness. So he asked for it, so I just have to cook it. So we are going to clean this the best way we know how. Cut them nails off. Please cut them nails. Please cut them nails off. I've seen people cook them with the nails on. No, ma'am. No, sir. You're going to cut them nails off, and then you're going to take that little black middle. You know, I guess that's where the chicken be prancing around the barnyard, and they got calluses and things. We're going to go ahead and cut that off, okay? So that's to be that, yeah. Slice that off. Because Patty, that's this chicken's name. She looked like she had a rough life. Anyway, we're going to clean that, cut that off, and we're going to cut them nails off, and we're going to wash these real good in some lukewarm water and some vinegar, okay? I said stick with me, y'all, please, okay? Thanks in advance.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step in.
So the chicken feet have been washed really, really good. And over here we just have in a pot with some plain water, some onions and bell peppers. We're gonna put the chicken feet in and we're going to season. The seasonings I'm using will be listed in the description. And basically, it's just accent, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, some chicken seasoning, and some butter. That's what's going to go in on the first round. I have salt up there, but you're going to kind of wait until your gravy has cooked down to see if salt is even needed. You probably won't even need salt depending on how much of the chicken seasoning you put in. And then at the ending, I'm going to be adding cream of chicken soup. And you know that has some sodium in it as well. So we're going to go ahead and season. We're going to put this on high to bring it to a good boil. And then we'll check back in.
Give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta?
Okay, so at the point it's to a roaring boil, you guys. This is where you want to go ahead and add in your brown gravy mix. We all know why I use brown gravy mix. It's basically for coloring. Yeah, I could use Kitchen Bouquet or some other browning, but the gravy mix adds really no flavor, but it just works for me. Let me just say that. It just works for me. So I'm going to add as much as I need to add in order for me to achieve the color that I need.
I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that.
So after about 30 minutes, it's been boiling. Now you want to go ahead and add in your cream of chicken, and this is what's gonna give it that 40 weight type gravy, that real thick gravy. It's gonna thicken it up. So you do that, but before you add in your cream of chicken, taste your gravy and make sure it's not too salty or too over seasoned. And then you could add in a little bit of water before the cream of chicken and let it boil down a little bit more, just so you wouldn't be over seasoning it. From here, we let this cook down so the cream of chicken can thin out a little bit, and you are basically done, y'all. This was an easy recipe once again, and for all those people like me who do not like chicken feet, I don't see it's not even any meat on it. So what pleasure are you getting out of it? But anyway, for those of you who do not like chicken feet, you can use this same recipe with other chicken parts, chicken wings, legs, thighs, whatever. It works. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit me on Instagram, let me know in the comments what else you would like to see me cooking, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Remember, stay blessed, drink plenty of water, mind your own business. Love y'all.